Happy Thursday. I'm here at the Total Balance Outdoor Beautiful Space to talk about twists. When we think about twists, we might think about twisting through our lower backs. That's really not where we twist. We twist in our mid-back, upper back. So thinking about using your hips as well when you twist. So I'm going to start with your hips. Move until they stop. Lengthen through your low back. Then start to twist through your mid-back, upper back, maybe your shoulders, maybe your neck, maybe your head. So starting here, in a little bit of a chair variation. Start with your chair variation, lengthen through your low back, get a little bit of twist in your hips to start, coming through your rib cage, mid-back, upper back. Maybe you're here, maybe you get a little further, maybe you hook. All those versions are good. If you have a little bit of hip movement, it's not a bad thing.